What the Tech is sponsored by Tennessee Wesleyan University Fort Sanders Nursing Department. Complete your bachelor's or master's in person or online. Learn more at tnwesleyan.edu/nursing.
The popular streaming service Netflix is having a tough time losing millions of subscribers since the first of the year. And their loss, well, Greg, they say it could soon be your loss.
Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker says if you share your Netflix password, it may soon cost you more to watch your favorite show.
A few years ago, Netflix made it clear it didn't care if you were sharing your password with people outside your homes. But now Netflix has notified many of its subscribers that if they're sharing their password with someone who doesn't live with them, they're going to have to start paying for extra homes. Here's how it's going to work. Netflix will allow streaming only in the household that's paying for it. If someone logs into that account from somewhere else, the account holder will be charged for an extra home. It's going to cost an extra $3 a month for each extra home. Subscribers outside the U.S. already are receiving this email saying it will identify the primary residence by its IP address and the device IDs used to stream content. To address people using their Netflix account while on vacation, Netflix says it'll be okay for up to 2 weeks as long as it hasn't been used in that location more than once per year. After 2 weeks, the notice says the TV will be blocked unless you pay for the extra home fee. Netflix has also added this line for all subscribers when creating a new user on an account that it must be for people who live with you. The change will impact families who share their Netflix account with their children away at college or living on their own. Netflix clearly hopes people currently using someone else's Netflix password will sign up and pay for their own account. Netflix also announced earlier this month it will roll out ad-supported subscription tiers, which will cost less for people who don't mind watching advertisements during TV shows and movies. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.